till the crack of dawn. There's no forgiving the people I burn, waiting their turn, taking shots at my shot screen. I'm a wrecking machine and I'm up all night. I'm a freelance fiend and I'm up all night. I'm an immortal soldier burning through all the fight. Sonic boom, motherfucker, ripping down the night. Take a bullet in your head. Take a shot. Let me you scream if you want more. Take a bullet in your head. Take a shot. Let me you scream if you want more. Now you don't care, guess I don't care. You know you don't care, guess I don't care. You know every single mission and burst transmission. Gotta stay awake, gotta keep on listening. Are you listening? Are you listening? Take a bullet in your head. Take a shot. Let me you scream if you want more. Take a bullet in your head. Take a shot. Let me you scream if you want more. Let me you scream if you want more. Let me you scream if you want more. Take a bullet in your head. Take a shot. Let me you scream if you want more. Take a bullet in your head. Take a shot. Let me you scream if you want more. Take a bullet in your head. Take a shot. Let me you scream if you want more. Let me you scream if you want more. Let me you scream if you want more.
I followed a journey on the line to make sure the blokes were giving her that extra touch. She was going to be done in mirage blue with a black vinyl roof. I got 4 coats of paint instead of the usual 3. When she come out of the booth, she was a picture. A blue that was never on land or sea. Something out of this world. Left the paint shop, then through hard trim, windows, windscreens, door handles, gas tank, wiring, dash, steering. Dropped in the engine, long assembly, wheels, fenders, then the soft trim, upholstery. When she finally rolled out, she was a dream. My dream come true. Something I had watched over through all the stages of creation.
On this program, we explore the development of the Australian colonial home. Last week, we talked about a unique feature of Australian colonial houses, and that is the use of fencing in front gardens, which is not common in the United States or in Europe. Our hot climate has had a part to play with balconies and veranda spaces used in subtropical Queensland, the mild, generally warm winters experienced in that state. Another aspect of Australian suburbia is that the suburbs tend to have a combination of both upper class and middle class housing. One urban resident, a poor house.
Flick of the switch and the engine turns over like a song. No choke, no trouble. I like to idle for a couple of minutes before backing her out, get her warmed up, and we're all coming up from the sump on its job of lubrication. So I revved her up, backed her out, opened her up, blue gum live, speedo flickering up, all gauges going, RPM, NBH, temp, generator V8 motor singing its almighty hammering song of power. A great machine, a surgeon, effortless strength, showing the brute power of spot-on, tuned-up mechanical coordination. We zoomed up Alligator Creek Bridge with the smallest touch of the brake pedal. A screech of deep, dread bitumen. Then we shut it down. 50, 40, 30, and I cruised over the bridge at 20 mph. I swung around, give her another burst of surging speed, then come across sharp on the brake pedal again. Spot on, no sponginess. I come to a dead stop in front of the house, then swung her into the drive.
There I go, I step down close again. She tripped me up, she tripped me down again. White wine is curiously bitter, white wine is curiously bitter, but you like to see me knocking on your door. Hey, yeah! Taking time, yeah. Like Rasputin whispered in my ear, she would make me feel so dear. She wrapped up on me like one sweet disease, cause of ecstasy and now you've heard it all before, soften on your thoughts, time out, yeah, time out, yeah. Your heart is on my mind, leading me to constant distraction, bleeding in my mind. Now it's your love, burst my ticking time, yeah.
foreman, the people that really count in a bloke's life. A lot like that, what chance had I got? Cards were stacked against me. They didn't have to be. The bloke had to stand up and say what he would not take. And the one thing I would not take was people laughing at my car. I watched my Monaro moving off like some proud, doomed galleon out of a fairy story. She'd never looked more lovely. The dark, wooded mystery of her black vinyl top. The smooth streamline of her mirage blue flanks. The pure, thoroughbred, sporty down sweeping line of her coupe rear that made the Monaro a car for the mansions of memory. Her headlamps glooming in the moonlight like a pair of magnificent boobs.
Take it back on home. Take it back on home. What I meant to say, I've gone my way.